Antaira Technologies is now expanding its product line with industrial M12 Ethernet switches. Antaira's M12 switches boast new key features outside the standard RJ45 switches. The M12 connectors are less prone to wear and will not dislodge when used in applications where there is heavy shock and vibration. Antaira's M12 connectors feature a waterproof case along with an IP67 rating. Our new M12 Managed Switch series also has a bypass feature on a pair of copper ports that allows data to pass through the switch even when power is no longer available to the switch. This can often prevent downtime and save on operating costs. Another great feature is that Antaira's -110 managed M12 switch models can be utilized where the EN50155 certification is required. Antaira's M12 switches are a great fit for light rail applications, maintaining data to both critical lighting, messaging, and temperature control, as well as public Wi-Fi and surveillance networks. Automation in the agricultural industry is a fast-growing market and has seen the need for M12 switches. Fully automated farming equipment is being designed to include the use of high-speed GigaVision cameras and powerful image processing CPUs, combined with artificial intelligence allowing for a machine to determine if a fruit is ripe or if a plant is a weed. Sending the data from these high-speed GigaVision cameras to the image processors requires a 10G backbone link. A robust network must also be able to withstand constant vibration, as well as an intrusion protection from dust and water. Antaira's LMP1802G M12-10G family of switches can do just that. Antaira has been providing quality switches and top-tier support for 15 years, providing TAA-compliant products for different markets and applications. All of our products are backed by our 5-year warranty. If you want to learn more about our M12 switches, please visit our website at antaira.com.